Discover the perfect blend of quality and affordability with these 15 new Wolfcraft woodworking tools under $50 on Amazon. Designed for precision, durability, and ease of use, these tools help both beginners and seasoned woodworkers achieve professional results without overspending. From clever measuring aids to smart clamping systems, each tool enhances your efficiency, accuracy, and creativity in the workshop, making woodworking more enjoyable and productive than ever. Wolfcraft Laminate Fitter. The Wolfcraft 695-2000. Laminate Fitter is a precision tool designed to make laminate flooring installation easier and more accurate. Ideal for measuring and cutting the last row of laminate boards, it features an integrated sliding wheel that captures wall contours precisely for a perfect fit up to 235mm board width. The extra wide splint ensures the laminate boards remain stable and secure during marking and cutting. Additionally, its supported pin guide helps achieve clean, straight lines with minimal effort. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or professional installer, this tool guarantees neat edges, flawless fitting, and a professional finish every time. Wolfcraft Master 600. Folding Workbench. The Wolfcraft Master 600. Folding Workbench is a versatile, durable workstation designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It features two high-quality MDF jaws, with the front jaw adjustable via dual handles for precise clamping. The robust base frame ensures stability during demanding tasks and can be quickly folded for compact, space-saving storage. An integrated tool rack keeps your essentials within easy reach, enhancing efficiency while you work. The bench includes 4 plastic jaws that securely hold workpieces horizontally, allowing for flexible and safe handling. With a maximum load capacity of 180 kilograms, it's built to handle tough projects effortlessly. Wolfcraft Adjustable Hole Saw. The Wolfcraft Adjustable Hole Saw is a versatile and efficient tool designed for electricians, DIYers, and craftsmen. With an integrated scale for standard hole sizes, 35 to 83mm, and an 8.5mm triangular shank, it fits all common cordless and power drills. Its 3-toothed blades deliver fine, clean cuts through plasterboard, OSB, and softwood. Offering a 30mm cutting depth, it's ideal for installing hollow wall boxes, spotlights, and sockets. The included 2.5mm and 4mm Allen wrenches make adjusting the diameter quick and easy. Compact, durable, and multifunctional. This tool replaces multiple fixed-size hole saws in one smart design. Wolfcraft Undercover Jig Set. The Wolfcraft Undercover Jig Set is an essential tool for creating strong, concealed screw joints in woodworking projects. Designed for precision and versatility, it includes a drilling template for pocket holes, a stepped drill bit, depth stop, Torx screwdriver blade, screw hole covers, and wood screws. The adjustable stop and built-in ruler allow quick pre-adjustment for all standard board thicknesses from 12mm. Perfect for corner, T-butt, and edge-to-edge connections, this jig ensures clean, professional results with invisible screw joints. Equipped with Torx 20 screws and bit, the Wolfcraft Undercover Jig Set simplifies your assembly work while ensuring strength and flawless aesthetics. Wolfcraft Cylinder Drill Bit. The Wolfcraft Cylinder Drill Bit is a high-quality tool designed for precision and efficiency in woodworking. Featuring a self-cutting centering tip, it ensures accurate starts without wandering, while its precision ground main blade allows for smooth and fast drilling. Equipped with 2 sharp cutting edges, it delivers clean, consistent holes through softwood and plastic. Made from durable alloy or tool steel, this bit guarantees long-lasting performance for both through and restricted depth holes. Its round shank fits most drill presses and chucks with ease. With an uncoated finish and 8mm cutting diameter, the Wolfcraft cylinder drill bit offers reliability and precision. Wolfcraft Work Table Clamp. The Wolfcraft Pro 65-150W. Work Table Clamp is a versatile and durable tool designed for securing workpieces firmly to your worktop. Compatible with all workbenches featuring 20mm bores, it fits perfectly with Wolfcraft tables for seamless operation. The clamp includes an upper clamping jaw and can also be used as a standard one-hand clamp, providing exceptional flexibility. With a generous clamping width of 120mm and an impressive clamping pressure of up to 90 kilograms, it ensures stable and secure positioning during any woodworking or DIY project. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists who value precision and ease of use. Wolfcraft bit holder with extra long shank. The Wolfcraft bit holder with extra long shank is a precision-engineered tool designed for hard-to-reach screw connections. Featuring an extra long shaft, it allows you to access deep or narrow spaces with ease and efficiency. The 1/4-inch hexagon drive, ISO 1173 shank, E6.3, ensures a secure and stable fit in any standard drill chuck, providing excellent control and torque transfer. Its magnetic bit socket with a powerful ring magnet firmly holds screws in place, preventing drops or misalignment during work. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, this bit holder guarantees accuracy, convenience, and durability in every project. Wolfcraft Microbit Set Box. The Wolfcraft Microbit Set Box is a precision tool collection ideal for detailed and delicate work. It includes 31 high-quality bits, 4 Phillips PH000 to PH1, 2 Poserdriv PZ0 to PZ1, 7 slotted SL1.0 to SL4.0, 9 Torx T4 to T20, and 8 hex H0.7 to H4.0. The set also features a durable 2-component handle for comfortable grip and precise control, plus an extension for hard-to-reach screws. All components are neatly organised in a sturdy metal case for easy portability and protection. Perfect for watchmakers, model builders, and anyone working with small electronics or fine mechanical assemblies. Wolfcraft Trapezium Blade Knife. The Wolfcraft Trapezium blade knife is designed for precision, comfort, and safety. Its specially shaped, high-quality metal casing ensures a secure and comfortable grip during extended use. Equipped with a safety slider for automatic blade retraction, it minimizes the risk of accidents. The quick change function allows for tool-free blade replacements, saving time and effort. An ergonomic grip zone provides excellent power transmission for clean, controlled cuts. Additionally, the knife includes a cord cutter for added versatility and an integrated blade magazine that conveniently stores 5 interchangeable blades, making it a reliable, all-in-one cutting solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Wolfcraft Fixoflex Sanding Pads. The Wolfcraft Fixoflex sanding pads are designed for precise, low vibration and groove-free sanding, ensuring professional quality finishes every time. Featuring a highly elastic 125mm backing pad with Velcro fastening and an 8mm shank, they enable quick tool changes and excellent adaptability. The two-function design allows for rigid sanding when the axle is locked, ideal for edges, and flexible sanding when unlocked, ensuring optimal surface adaptation. This dual versatility provides smooth, scratch-free results on various materials. With a comprehensive range of accessories, the Wolfcraft Fixoflex sanding pads deliver maximum control, comfort, and efficiency for all your detailed sanding projects. Wolfcraft SB60 Saw Buck. The Wolfcraft SB60 Saw Buck is a compact, foldable, and mobile helper for cutting firewood efficiently. Measuring only 54 cm wide, 110 cm high, and 23 cm deep when folded, it fits easily in a car trunk for convenient transport. When set up, it provides a sturdy 54 by 100 by 60 cm workstation. You can cut multiple 1 meter logs into 25 or 33 cm pieces in one go. Safety is ensured by an anti-kickback mechanism and protective beach boards that safeguard your chainsaw. Despite weighing just 4.6 kilograms, this saw buck offers impressive stability and easy handling. Wolfcraft Rotary Rasp. The Wolfcraft Rotary Rasp is a high-quality accessory designed for cordless screwdrivers and drills, perfect for preparing recesses and quickly removing material from wood surfaces. Crafted from durable tool steel, it ensures long-lasting performance and efficient cutting action. The Rasp features a 1/4 inch hexagonal shank E6.3, allowing for quick and easy tool changes in standard bit holders. Whether you're shaping, smoothing, or hollowing wooden surfaces, this rotary rasp delivers precision and speed. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professional craftsmen alike, the Wolfcraft Rotary Rasp makes woodworking tasks smoother, faster, and more convenient than ever before. Wolfcraft Versatile, a 1 pocket-sized multi-tool. The Wolfcraft Versatile pocket-sized multi-tool is a compact 13-in-1 solution designed for camping, hiking, travel, and DIY tasks. Crafted with durable metal, it combines essential tools such as needle nose pliers, wire cutters, knife blade, awl, saw, double-sided file, screwdrivers, and openers in one handy device. Each tool folds out smoothly and locks securely for safe use. A built-in release mechanism ensures injury-free folding. Lightweight yet sturdy, this multi-tool is ideal for everyday use or outdoor adventures. It also includes a premium nylon pouch and a convenient belt clip, ensuring your reliable all-in-one tool is always within easy reach. Wolfcraft Countersink Deburring Drill Bit Set. The Wolfcraft Countersink Deburring Drill Bit Set is expertly designed for precise and efficient counterboring before flush fastening. It allows for deep countersinking, enabling screw heads to sit neatly below the surface for a clean, professional finish. Suitable for use on wood, plastics, and non-ferrous metals, it features a crosshole with a groove for optimal chip removal during operation. The durable WS material and single cutting edge ensure smooth, accurate results with every use. Equipped with a hexagonal shank, this set supports quick tool changes in bit holders, making it ideal for craftsmen seeking efficiency and precision. Wolfcraft Bevel and Mitre Box. The Wolfcraft Bevel and Mitre Box combines two essential tools in one smart design, serving as both a bevel gauge and mitre box. Perfect for sawing precise mitres, it allows you to measure and transfer angles from 85 degrees to 180 degrees effortlessly. Thanks to its integrated guide pins, you can automatically and accurately transfer angles to your handsaw without errors. Ideal for measuring room angles, this tool is especially useful in old buildings where walls are rarely square. With its infinitely adjustable design, the Wolfcraft Bevel and Mitre Box eliminates guesswork, ensuring clean, professional results every time. A 1.